Yeah, so what's up guys? This is just a continuation video of the one I did previously, showing you guys how I turned the $150 to $1,000. Remember I told you I'm gonna hold the trade, holding one position, and then I close the rest in profit, while I hold just one position till it gets to the final take profit. Yeah, I'm sorry the analysis is not here, but if you watch the previous video you are gonna understand what I'm saying, because I said this is the support level right here that can hold this market, yeah, from the 1 hour time frame. So since the market is trying to break through this support level, but if it's able to break through this support level, it's gonna move down to the downside. And I said it earlier that if you want to still jump into step index, it's still very good for you to jump in. So I believe a lot of you that entered this trade, you must have been in profit by now, because if you see from the 15-minute time frame, the condition for the moving average crossing above the chart and the MACD below the zero level, it's still intact and it's selling. You see, the strategy is working. So what I'm doing is that I'm just waiting for it to already is actually touched the first TP level, which is it even passed the first TP level, which is this support level. And then once it breaks through this support level, then the final take profit is gonna be at this last support level. So I'm not sure it's gonna break through this support level, but we'll just watch and see from the monitor the market from the small time frame, like the 5 minute time frame. Yeah, but what I can see here, I'm seeing like the market is trying to do a reversal from what I'm seeing from the 15-minute time frame. So I'm just gonna watch it and set my stop loss to break even, that is above this previous week. You see, just to be on the safer side. Already I've secured some profits though, you get. So that's how we trade. So if it's unable to reach this level, which I'm gonna set my stop loss, the sell is gonna continue. So that's more money for me. So if it continue again, I'm pushing my stop loss down again. So that's how we're able to accumulate more profits. Otherwise you can just close it now, and before you just go do something and come back, you see step index all the way down, and then you'll be like, wow, I wish I knew, I would have left the trade running. So that's how we do things here. You keep it on stop, what's it called, break even. You set stop loss to break even to avoid losing everything, and to try to make more. That's just it. So you don't have to be greedy. Be like, okay, it's better I take it here than I put my stop loss in break even, because if it hits the break even, I'm gonna lose some, like maybe now it's a $212 profit. So when probably if it hits the stop loss in break even, it's gonna be like $170 or $150 profit. So I'll be thinking about risking losing that $50. So guys, you don't do that, because everything is just on probability. At least you made 150, sure, that's great. Then what if it goes down and then reach this level? You'll be making about 3 something dollars. So that's just how we trade forex. That is just how we trade the synthetic indices. You do the probability way and the analysis, guys. The full video, if you haven't watched it, the link is at the description below, and it is just the previous video on this channel, how I turned $150 to $1,000 with this strategy. So now it's $1,165 with our amazing strategy. So this is Deriv. The link to create an account with this broker is at the link below. The link is at the description. Yeah, so click on the link and open an account to start trading. It's very volatile, so you can make money from it, and it's 24/7. The market doesn't close. So thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.